252p/Linear. Comet 252p/Linear is a periodic comet and near-Earth object discovered by the Linear Survey on April 7, 2000. The comet is an Earth-Jupiter family comet, meaning that it passes quite close to both Earth and Jupiter. This causes its orbit to be perturbed frequently on an astronomical timescale. The nominal orbit of 252p/Linear 2001 cone 102/1 was thrown into the near-Earth region by Jupiter in February 1785, before which it had a perihelion near that of Mars 1774–1785. Prior to this, it had a perihelion in the asteroid belt 1607–1690, and even further before was most likely a Jupiter Trojan. Since its Jupiter moid is currently 0.20, Jupiter remains the primary factor in its orbital disruption. At some point before 1860, 252p/Linear separated from a secondary, smaller fragment discovered in January 2016. The nucleus of the secondary is 6,200 meters wide, half that of the primary. 252p/Linear will get as close as 0.35613.9 LD to Earth on 21 March 2016, and p/2016b for teen Pan-STARRS will get as care. Associated meteor shower. 252p/Linear is predicted to perhaps make a weak new meteor shower during its 2016 approach. Peter Jeniskins and Jeremy Vaubalin calculated that possible meteors from this comet would radiate from the constellation of Lepus, south of Orion, from a radiant at r, A equals 77.0 Decal, equals minus 16.3 Deg, with a slow geocentric velocity of Vg equals 11.1 km/s on March 28 and 29. Rates will be low. There are no encounters with the dust trails created since AD 1850, but instead a diffuse cloud of perturbed meteoroids ejected during 1894–1926 is calculated to be in Earth's path. See Seabed telegram 4267. Quan Yi calculated that possible meteors from comet p/2016 via 14 Pan-STARRS would radiate from the constellation Columba, south of Lepus, during the late UT hours of March 20. The radiant is at r, A equals 82 Decal, equals minus 39 Deg, with geocentric velocity Vg equals 14.1 km/s. Meteoroids ejected since AD 1750 were studied, with also no dust trail encounters found in 2016. See Seabed telegram 4259. A meteor shower has been observed with a similar orbit to 252p/Linear, previously known as the March Lyncids in the constellation Lynx. It is not known for certain if the shower is related to the comet. Fragment p/2016 Bia-14 was radar imaged at distance of 2.2 million miles 9 lunar distances during a flyby of Earth in 2016. This enabled the size of the nucleus to be calculated to be about 3,000 to 3,300 feet 1 km in diameter, which was bigger than expected. 2016. Bia-14 had unique history in that when it was discovered in January 2016 by a Pan-STARRS telescope, it was thought to be an asteroid and went by a provisional minor planet designation 2016 Bia-14. An astronomer then realized the body's orbit was very similar to 252p/Linear, which led to a follow-up observation by the Lowell Discovery Telescope. The body showed a tail, identifying it as a probable comet, and then named p/2016 Bia-14. Gallery